In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add product options. So what you're going to have to do here is to go to our store. So let's go here. Now let's go to Manage Store. And then from here, we're going to have to click on Products. Click on Products. And then from here, we're going to have to click on the product we want to add different variants. Now, if you scroll a little bit down, you should see here Add Option. I was kind of confused when I started adding products on hostages because I thought it is not possible to add variants, but it is. And also, I didn't know you can actually add also on your variant an image, which of course is it is possible on so many other websites, website builders. I thought maybe it's not possible, but it is. You just need to click on add options here. I'll just type some stuff here fast. Another. And down here, you can just click on manage variant and you can add a here image. And you can add, like one product can have up to 50 variants, which is pretty cool, right? Now you can here type the price, discount price, heights, and also can enable track quantity and show lowest priced first. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tutorials.